Debit means money in. Credit means money out. Right? That's what everyone tells you, and it's wrong. That one wrong sentence confuses beginners for years. Let's fix it in 3 minutes. Here's the thing nobody tells you at the start. Debit and credit are not good or bad. They are just left and right. Left side of the entry, right side of the entry. That's it. And every single transaction touches both sides. Get that one idea, and journal entries stop being guesswork. Ready? Let's take a real shop. Picture a small tea shop. The owner buys a fridge for 400 dinars and pays cash. Now, two things happened. The shop gained a fridge. The shop lost cash. Two sides, see. So which side gets debited? Here's the rule that actually works. Assets go up on the debit side. The fridge is an asset, something the shop owns and uses. So the fridge is debited, 400. And cash. Cash is also an asset, but it went down. Assets go down on the credit side. So cash is credited, 400. Same number, both sides. Notice no money came in at all. Yet we still debited something. So the entry in the books looks like this. Debit, furniture and equipment, 400. Credit, cash, 400. Read it out loud. What the business got goes on the left, where it came from goes on the right. That's the whole logic. And here's your quick check. If the two sides don't match to the last fills, something is missing. Got that? Good. Because the next part builds right on it. Now the part that trips everyone. Same shop sells tea worth 60 dinars, cash. Cash came in, so cash is debited, 60. Fine. But what's the other side? Sales. And sales is credited. Wait, money came in, and we credited something? Yes. Because income grows on the credit side. Same with what you owe. A supplier bill you haven't paid grows on the credit side too. So think of it this way. Assets and expenses live on the debit side. Income, liabilities, and capital live on the credit side. Rent for the month. Expense, so debit. Salary due on the first. Liability, so credit. Here's that entry. Debit cash, 60. Credit sales, 60. And here's why this matters in a real job. In my daily work, I reconcile more than 50 bank accounts every month, and the ones that never balance are almost always a side put backwards. Someone debited income instead of crediting it. One flipped side, hours of hunting. Get the two families right, and you save yourself that pain. So, quick recap. Debit is left, credit is right, never money in and money out. Every transaction touches two sides, and they must match exactly. Assets and expenses grow on the debit side. Income, liabilities, and capital grow on the credit side. Here's your one thing for tomorrow. Take any 3 transactions from your own books, and before you look, say out loud what the business got and what it gave. Then check. Do that 10 times and it becomes instinct. If this finally clicked for you, you are further ahead than I was in my first year. Keep going, this rule carries you all the way to month-end close. Next, I'll walk you through building your first trial balance from these entries, step by step.